Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're in my workshop and we're going to be making a last minute gift for the holidays, or you can repurpose it for a gift for a birthday or something else like that. It certainly has been a while since I've made one of these project videos, so before I get started I'd like to install this new bench vise. Installed. It works really well. So now let's get on to the actual project. For this quick last minute gift, we're going to be making a spatula. Wooden spatulas are very good gifts because they're super easy to make and people love them because they can be used all the time. For our spatula today, we are going to be using some nice cherry. So let's just sketch our design right out onto this piece of wood. Now you want to pay attention to the direction that the grain is running in your piece of wood, because having grain going the opposite direction of the spatula that you want to make can offset the design. So I'm thinking I'm going to go for a spatula style that I saw and have seen quite often on the internet. I've seen them on like Instagram and a couple on Pinterest, and I think they look pretty nice. So the handle is offset to the actual spatula scraping part, and I always thought that looked pretty nice, so that looks pretty good. And as you can see, the grain sort of follows that direction. So now we're going to cut this out on the bandsaw. Now that we've cut out the profile in this axis, we have to cut out the profile in this axis. So, now that we have the profile in the two axes that we want it roughed in, we can start shaping it with hand tools. finishing up some sanding here, and then the spatula should be ready for finish. I've sanded it up to 220 grit, and then I'll furnish it with the backside of the sandpaper that makes it nice and smooth, and then it's time to put the finish on. So, alright, it's now time to put the finish on. This is a finish that I made in a previous video. You can check that out in the card in the corner. It is a beeswax and mineral oil combination, but let's go ahead and apply it. I don't know about you, but I think this looks pretty nice. Again, it was sanded up to 120 grit with my homemade wood finish on it. Again, it's a food safe wood finish, so it's perfectly good for this application. And I mean, that's it really. It's a really nice gift. I think it came out beautifully. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you really love what I'm doing here, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.